In this video, you'll learn how to use your Elections Ontario Leader Guides. The purpose of the Leader Guide is to provide a master reference document to help the training officer prepare for and deliver each poll official training program. There are leader guides for each poll official program you may train, and they'll be located in your training officer binder. You can also locate the guides in EOpedia by searching for Leader Guide. The leader guides are divided by position and also by polls with technology or polls without technology. Each leader guide will be identifiable by its leader guide number. There are also French leader guides available for electoral districts that use French as a primary language. The training officer is responsible for reading and reviewing each poll official program leader guide so that they understand how to use the tools to deliver training sessions in an accurate and standardized way. Each leader guide is a comprehensive package that contains the training program delivery sequence, lists of necessary materials and equipment, PowerPoint slide images, embedded video vignettes within PowerPoint, presentation scripts and key points to cover, and instructions for managing exercises and other instructional activities. Following the leader guide. Every action in the training program is described in the leader guide, so take the time to get familiar with using your guide. The first part of your guide is there to help you plan your training day and give you cues for what you need to do. Your leader guide will contain cues to tell you the goal of the session, the time the module should take, an overview of the module, and the materials you'll need. The various icons used throughout your leader guide are designed to help draw quick attention to tasks you need to perform, content you need to say out loud, the slides you need to show, videos to play, when to transition to the next module, and more. Look through the first part of your guide to understand how to prepare for each training session. It gives perspective for the program, lets you know the materials you'll need and how to set them up, how to prepare the room, and an overview of the training at a glance. When you get to your first module, you'll see a picture of the corresponding PowerPoint slide, the actions you need to take, and the script you need to read. In this example, you'll welcome everyone to the start of the training session. Make sure everyone has signed the training attendance sheet, give a short introduction of yourself to your group, and talk about how your experience relates to teaching and elections, then say, "That's enough about me," and transition to the next slide in your PowerPoint. Every leader guide has been designed to give you all the steps you need to teach the poll official programs. The training program for each position varies in length. To ensure that each training session is completed within the expected time, the training officer must follow the leader guide and not change the content. The training officer must cover all the information in the leader guide because the content of each training program is governed by the Election Act and the Accessibility for Ontarians with Disabilities Act of 2005.